Welcome to Slow English Lab, the channel that helps you speak clear, natural English with no stress and no pressure. Today's lesson is called The One Routine That Skyrockets Your English Skills. Let me ask you something. Do you feel stuck with English? Maybe you understand a lot when you read or listen slowly, but when you try to speak, your brain freezes. You search for words, you translate in your head, and sometimes you give up. This is a very common problem. Many learners feel like they are walking in the dark. They study grammar, they memorize vocabulary, but still, speaking feels difficult and unnatural. Here's the good news. There is one simple routine that can change everything. If you use this routine every day, your English skills will grow faster, easier, and more naturally. This routine is not about studying 5 hours a day. It is not about buying expensive books. It is about building small, daily actions that train your brain to think in English. In this lesson, I will give you 10 powerful tips to create this routine. Each tip is simple. Each tip is practical. And each tip is designed for you, an A1 to B1 learner, to use in real life. We will do shadowing practice together. That means you will repeat sentences after me. First slow, then normal, then natural. You will feel the rhythm, the stress, and the emotion of English. This is the secret that native speakers use. By the end of this lesson, you will have a clear plan. You will know exactly what to do every single day to skyrocket your English. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to Slow English Lab. If you enjoy learning with me, please click like, share this lesson, and join the community in the comments. At the end of this introduction, I have a little task for you. Write in the comments. I will follow this routine every day. All right, let's begin with tip 1. Tip 1. Start your day in English. The first step of the routine is to start your day in English. Why? Because your brain is fresh in the morning. The first words, the first thoughts, set the direction for the rest of your day. If you wake up and think in your native language, it will be very hard to switch later. But if you wake up and use English immediately, you train your brain to stay in English mode. Imagine this. You open your eyes and say to yourself, "Good morning. Today is a new day. I feel good. I will speak English." These are simple words, but they are powerful. You are giving your brain a signal. English first. Here are some example sentences you can use every morning. Good morning. I am awake. Today is going to be a great day. I will practice my English today. Now let's do shadowing together. Slow. Repeat after me. Good morning. I am awake. Normal. Say with me. Good morning. I am awake. Natural. Say it again naturally. Good morning, I'm awake. Feel the rhythm? Notice how I am becomes I'm. This is natural English. Mini challenge. Every morning this week, before you check your phone or speak to anyone, say 3 sentences in English. Keep it simple. Do it out loud. Comment prompt. Write in the comments. I will start my day in English. Tip 2. Describe what you see. The second part of the routine is to describe your world. This is one of the fastest ways to think in English. You don't need special time. You don't need a book. You just use what is around you. For example, when you walk into your kitchen, say, "This is my cup. The water is hot. I'm making tea." When you look out the window, say, "The sky is blue. The sun is bright. A dog is barking." Why is this powerful? Because you connect English words directly to your environment. No translation. You see, you speak. Your brain learns that English is not only for the classroom. It is for life. Here are some simple sentences you can use. The door is open. The phone is on the table. I am walking to the kitchen. Now let's shadow together. Slow. Repeat after me. The door is open. Normal. Say with me. The door is open. Natural. Say it again naturally. The door's open. Notice how in natural speech, door is often becomes doors. Small changes like this make you sound more natural. Mini challenge. Today, describe at least 5 things around you in English. Don't worry if it's simple. The goal is to practice daily. Comment prompt. Write in the comments, "I will describe my world in English." Tip 3. Use short answers. One big problem for learners is long, complicated answers. In real life, people speak quickly. You need to respond fast. Short answers help you sound natural and confident. For example, if someone asks, "Do you like coffee?" You don't need to say, "Yes, I like coffee very much." You can simply say, "Yeah, I do." Or of course. Short answers are common in daily English. They save time and make you sound friendly. Here are some examples. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Yeah, ready. Do you understand? Yes, I do. Got it. Is it hot today? Yes, it is. So hot. Now shadow with me. Slow. Repeat after me. Yes, I do. Normal. Say with me. Yes, I do. Natural. Say it again naturally. Yeah, I do. Mini challenge. Next time you watch a movie or series, listen carefully to how characters answer questions. Write down 3 short answers and practice them. Comment prompt. Write in the comments, "I will use short answers today." Tip 4. Shadow daily conversations. Shadowing is the secret routine that can skyrocket your English. It means listening and speaking at the same time. You copy the sound, the rhythm, the stress, and the emotion. Start with short, simple sentences. For example, "How are you?" "I'm fine, thanks." "What's your name?" Now let's shadow together. Slow. Repeat after me. "How are you?" Normal. Say with me. "How are you?" Natural. Say it again naturally. "How are you?" Notice how in natural speech, "how are you" becomes "how are you." This is what makes English sound fast. Mini challenge. Choose one short video or podcast in English. Listen, pause, and shadow. Do it for 5 minutes every day. Comment prompt. Write in the comments, "I will shadow today." Tip 5. Celebrate mistakes. Many learners are afraid of mistakes, but here's the truth. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. If you never make mistakes, it means you are not trying. When you say something wrong, don't panic. Smile and try again. Most people will understand, and every mistake teaches your brain something new. Example sentences. I don't afraid of mistakes. Correction. I'm not afraid of mistakes. She go to school. Correction. She goes to school. Now, shadow the correction. Slow. Repeat after me. I'm not afraid of mistakes. Normal, say with me. I'm not afraid of mistakes. Natural, say it again naturally. I'm not afraid of mistakes. Mini challenge. Today write one sentence in English. Make it fast. Don't worry about mistakes. Share it in the comments. Comment prompt. Write, I am not afraid of mistakes. Tip 6. Think in English. This is the heart of the routine. If you always translate in your head, speaking will always be slow. To speak faster, you must train your brain to think in English. Start small. For example, when you see a chair, don't think silla in Spanish or cadeira in Portuguese. Think directly, chair. Try these sentences. This is a chair. I'm sitting down. The chair is comfortable. Shadow with me. Slow. Repeat after me. This is a chair. Normal. Say with me. This is a chair. Natural. Say it again naturally. This is a chair. Mini challenge for 5 minutes today. Try to think only in English. Describe your actions silently in your head. Comment prompt. Write, I will think in English today. Tip 7. Practice small talk. Small talk is everyday conversation. It is about weather, hobbies, or simple topics. It makes you friendly and confident. Examples of small talk. Nice weather today. How was your weekend? Do you like this place? Now, shadow with me, slow, repeat after me. Nice weather today. Normal, say with me, nice weather today. Natural, say it again naturally. Mini challenge. Next time you meet someone, try one small talk sentence in English. Comment prompt. Write, I will practice small talk. Tip 8. Use emotional phrases. English is not only about words, it is about feelings. When you add emotion, your English becomes alive. Examples. That's amazing. So cool. I love it. Shadow with me. Slow. Repeat after me. That's amazing. Normal. Say with me. That's amazing. Natural. Say it again naturally. That's amazing. Mini challenge. Today choose one emotional phrase and use it 3 times in real life. Comment prompt. Write, I will use emotions in English. Tip 9. Record yourself. One powerful way to improve is recording your voice. When you listen back, you notice mistakes in pronunciation, rhythm, and stress. Example practice sentences. I am speaking English. I can do this. My English is improving. Shadow with me. Slow. Repeat after me. I am speaking English. Normal. Say with me. I am speaking English. Natural. Say it again naturally. I'm speaking English. Mini challenge. Record 1 minute of yourself speaking English today, then listen. Comment prompt. Write, I will record my English today. Tip 10. End your day in English. The last step of the routine is to end your day in English. Just like you started, you finish strong. Before bed, say 3 simple sentences. Today, I practiced my English. I am proud of myself. Tomorrow, I will do it again. Shadow with me. Slow. Repeat after me. I am proud of myself. Normal. Say with me. I am proud of myself. Natural. Say it again naturally. I'm proud of myself. Mini challenge. Before sleeping, say one positive English sentence every night. Comment prompt. Write, I will end my day in English. Conclusion. Let's review the 10 steps of the routine that skyrockets your English. 1. Start your day in English. 2. Describe what you see. 3. Use short answers. 4. Shadow daily conversations. 5. Celebrate mistakes. 6. Think in English. 7. Practice small talk. 8. Use emotional phrases. 9. Record yourself. 10. End your day in English. Simple, right? But very powerful. If you follow these steps every single day, your English will grow faster and stronger. Remember, fluency is not about big study once a week. Fluency comes from small daily habits. So don't wait. Begin today. Start in English, speak in English, end in English. Repeat tomorrow. That is the one routine that will skyrocket your English skills. Thank you for listening to Slow English Lab. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. And finally, I want you to write one promise in the comments. I will think in English 24/7. See you in the next lesson.